So this is just last day, last walk around this little island. There's my buddy going up the hill. There's right back of the city hall. And this was that little house that was for sale, but you know, Mexico, if you're within 50 miles of the beach, you can't own it. So you're from one side of the island to the other side of the island, about 10 minutes. And this is where I gotta come back in about an hour, catch the ferry to Cancun, to get on.